Smoked salmon, cream sauce, pasta, super easy. It takes no time at all. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, nice and easy. So look, I'm using penne. You could use a different pasta if you want, but get that cooked because we're going to concentrate on the sauce really. I've got there about 3 to 4 cups of cooked pasta, 200 grams of smoked salmon, 1 cup of cream. Now the cream that I'm using is a thick cream. It will make no difference if you use thick or thin cream. I always get a lot of questions about that. It won't make no difference whatsoever. I've got about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic that I've sliced, 3 or 4 olives. These are optional actually. I'm using some Kalamata olives. I've just taken the stone out. And then we've got half a cup of onion. A couple of other things that are going to go in, but let's get moving. So there's absolutely nothing to this. It's very simple. In this pan, medium heat, I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using an olive oil. We're going to drop in the garlic. We're going to drop in the onion. And while I'm here, I'm going to put my olives in. Medium heat, 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes there. We're now going to get our pasta and we're going to get that in. Like I said, I've got some cooked penne here. In that goes. To that we're going to add some salt and black pepper. Now if you want, you could get in some oregano or oregano, whatever you call that, or some other dried herb. Again, let's just go for 2 to 3 minutes. Just throw that pasta around in the pan. So we've just coated the pasta nicely with the ingredients, so you can see it's loosened up a little bit. It kind of congealed a little bit in the container I had it in. Right, next up we're going to add the cream. Like I say, it's not going to make any difference if you use thick or thin cream. There's 1 cup here. And if you want, I'm going to add just a little bit of the pasta water, like just a tiny amount. If you wanted, you could use some white wine maybe. Then it's time for our smoked salmon. Now I've just held a little bit back, just so I can pop it on the top as a kind of signature. And you can see it's fairly chunky here. Up to you how you want to cut that. Now we're going to stir all the time, keep it moving for about 2 minutes. You've done it, it's beautiful, really easy. Garlicky, creamy, really delicious, nice and light, beautiful, simple smoked salmon pasta. You can see I'll put a little bit of smoked salmon on the top as a signature. If you want, a little bit of chopped parsley or fresh basil or basil, whatever you call that. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.